Have you ever wondered how tornadoes were formed? Well, living in the tornado alley as a kid, were typically terrified or fascinated by the storms, or you were even curious how they were formed. Almost all the tornadoes form from thunderstorms. There are two large air masses that'll meet to create the instability in the atmosphere. In the United States, the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and the cool air from Canada are the two air masses that'll create the tornadoes in areas with strong rotation. Tornadoes are rated the most violent of all atmospheric storms. They can occur in many parts of the world. For instance, they'll form in Australia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and South America. The central United States experiences more tornadoes than any other areas. Researchers have estimated that over 1,000 tornadoes occur each year, but no one really knows how many really do occur, just because there are so many being unreported and undetected. As a kid, I was taught that tornadoes are a violent rotating column of air that will extend from a thunderstorm cloud to the ground. Their wind speeds can get up to 300 miles per hour, which it'll take the tornado to destroy large buildings, trees, and hurl vehicles hundreds of yards. During these types of storms, it's best to find shelter immediately. Best places to take shelter would be a safe room, basement, storm cellar, or even the lowest level of a building. Try to avoid areas with windows. When you're in the shelter, you need to crouch down as low as possible, facing down towards the floor, while covering your head with your hands. Most of the injuries that take place in these storms tend to occur when there are flying debris. I highly recommend being extremely informed and aware about tornadoes because they're very dangerous, and unlike hurricanes, you won't know a week in advance for when they'll appear.